Hello and welcome to another window parts video. Today we'll be doing a tutorial on how to fit our kitchen repair brackets. These brackets come in two variations, one with a hole, one without a hole. Today we'll be showing you how to do the one with a hole. So first off, we need to remove the door from the hinge. That is held on by two screws, mostly probably Phillips screws or crosshead. Undo those on the top one and the bottom one and the door will slide off. Once you've done that, take the door, place it onto a flat surface. We're doing it a little bit in a more difficult way today because we didn't have a surface to work on. But this will show you just how easy it is to do this. So, once you've done that, take one of the brackets, make sure the kinked part of the bracket fits around the edge of the door, and mark out the 4 fixing holes onto the door. They're in each corner of the bracket. Just make a small hole. You don't need to go very deep into it with this, just a small one so we can fix the screws nice and easy. So what you'll see with this product is that if the hinge is ripped off from the door, the back of the door will be damaged. So it'll be very difficult to fit the hinge back on. What this bracket does is it gives you a nice flat surface in which to fix the hinge back onto the door. And you'll see a bit later on. So, once you've made these 4 holes, place the bracket back over these holes and screw it on with 4 of the 8 screws provided. Screw them in there nice and tight. Once the top one's done, do the exact same process with the bottom one and you'll have 2 surfaces on which to fix your hinges back onto the door. Once your brackets are fitted on, offer it up to the hinges that are still on the cupboard. So what you'll see, and on the hole, on the bracket, there's 4 screws, 2 a bit further away and 2 a bit closer together. The hinge on your door should match up with at least 2 of these holes, one at the top, one at the bottom. So it doesn't match up to one of the holes, offer it up to the other one, and you should be able to fit. Once you've lined them up, 2 screws, they're sort of machine screws, they haven't got a point on them, they just look like normal machine screws. Place one at the top, one at the bottom. They'll just screw onto the bracket. You don't need to make any holes for these. They will just screw onto the bracket. So fit these on nice and tight. Do the same thing with the other one. And then what you should be able to do is be able to close and open the cupboard door. But you'll find it very, very handy with stuff like this. It saves you buying a new cupboard door. You've got this, that's a nice repair product and save you a lot of money in the long run. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.